In this video we're going to be unboxing the Tamiya Toyota Supra model kit. Welcome back to Loose Enough Garage. Today's video we're going to be unboxing the Tamiya Toyota Supra, one of the most popular kits out there just now. Famous JDM legend. Take a wee look at the box. Always love the Tamiya box art, really great pictures, different colour options that you can do it. Side. This kit comes with an engine. See the other side again. Get the box opened up. Some clear parts and decals there. Your instruction booklet. Standard Supra wheels and some engine parts. And you've got some interior and chassis parts here. Got your body there and a pack of tyres. I'll get the bags opened up and we'll take a wee closer look inside. Okay, so we'll start off with the decals here. We've got various number plates there. You get your Japanese style, American style, and your Supra ones. Various Toyota badges, Supra badges, and your dials at the bottom there. And we've got a sun strip for across the front of the top of the windscreen. Next up, we'll just take a quick look at the instruction manual. So your engine there. Looks like quite detailed suspension. Quite a lot to this kit. First sprue, we'll take a wee look at the clear parts. So you've got your tail lights, headlights there, some indicators, and your windscreen, side glass, rear glass. Got your heated rear window marks moulded in there, it's quite nice. You've got your detail moulded into it on your headlights. Very nice. The next sprue we've got the chassis. You can get a big space for your engine there, space for your gearbox, separately moulded exhaust, which is good. This side here you've got some mirrors, looks like an oil cooler, brakes, just the focus. So your intake, radiator fan, lower splitter for the front bumper. It's a hood scoop there. You can make this different versions. You can make the JDM version, the USDM version, and the European version, which I think comes with a hood scoop. The bonnet there, rear spoiler, turbo here, various pipework, front brakes, valve cover, radiator, and your belts and pulleys. Very nicely detailed, as you'd expect for a Tamiya kit. Next up, we have chassis parts, your front subframe and cover, shock absorbers and springs, sway bar, steering rack there, and one half of your engine and gearbox. Subframes, your rear differential drive shafts, other half of your engine block, and your exhaust, and your brake booster at the top there. Next sprue, we have interior parts. We've got the interior tub there. No separate door cards, unfortunately, which can make that quite tricky to paint, especially with the detail on the inside there. Can't make it out very clearly, but you've got your speaker moulded in there. And you've got your option for your left hand drive and right hand drive dashboards. Your seat there. Got some injection marks on the back of the seats. You could fill them in quite easily. Steering column and steering wheel, handbrake, gear lever, rear view mirror, and you've got your various options for your left hand drive and right hand drive wipers. More engine parts there, your battery and wheel hubs. We have your standard Toyota Supra wheels. Toyota badge nicely moulded in the inside there. Don't see many of these built with the standard wheels on them, but they're really nicely moulded. They look really good. We have the tyres here. Just need to open the bag up. Michelin logo marked in there on the sidewall of the tyre. Very nice tread on it as well. It's a really excellent looking kit, as you'd expect for Tamiya. Finish and everything's really good, and you know it's going to go together really easily. The kits are always, I think you could shake the box and it would build itself. Last but not least, we've got the body here. Some nice detail around the hood latch area. Headlights moulded in too. Side indicators too. door handles there. It's even got a spot for attaching your spoiler and the aerial for the radio. You got a bit there where the two bits of plastic have joined together in the mould. Just need to make sure that you paint it properly to hide that. A little bit of mould line down the back there, down the rear bumper, and the same at the other side. Another mould line at the front here, just behind the headlights. Need to be sanded off, but excellently moulded body. So that was the Tamiya Toyota Supra Mark IV. Hopefully you liked the video, give you an idea of what's in the box, what to expect when you buy this kit. Really excellent looking kit for Tamiya, comes with the engine, so you can really go wild with the detailing and stuff on it. Thanks for watching the video. If you like these videos, always appreciate a like and a subscribe. I appreciate all the comments, and I'll see you in another one really soon. Cheers, bye.